Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura MDX air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new air filter, a screwdriver, and possibly a pair of pliers. Make sure your MDX is parked on a flat, safe surface with the engine off and cool. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact filter specifications and any model-specific instructions before you begin this simple maintenance task. Now, let's locate the air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box situated near the engine, often on the passenger side. You'll see several clips or screws holding the cover in place. Carefully unfasten these, taking care not to lose any hardware. Gently lift the cover, and before you remove the old filter, observe its orientation. This will help ensure the new filter is installed correctly. With the airbox open, carefully pull out the old air filter. You'll likely notice it's quite dirty, filled with leaves, dust, and other debris. Take a moment to wipe out any loose dirt or leaves from inside the airbox using a clean cloth. Now, take your new air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and matches the orientation of the filter you just removed. It should fit perfectly without forcing. Finally, replace the airbox cover, ensuring all clips are securely fastened or screws are tightened. Double-check that everything is snug to prevent any air leaks. Once the cover is back in place, start your Acura MDX and listen for any unusual sounds. You've successfully replaced your air filter. This simple maintenance step helps improve engine performance, fuel efficiency, and extends the life of your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.